This is KipwareCYC, machining cycle time estimating software. The undeniable fact is, the key to profitable machine shop quoting and estimating is accurate cycle time estimating. Get it wrong, and your shop suffers. Idle machines, scheduling nightmares, and unhappy customers. KipwareCYC helps you estimate machining cycle times efficiently and accurately. How? By removing the chains, obstacles, and false ideas that cause inaccurate estimates. By eliminating subscription and maintenance fees. By dumping the cloud-based BS model. By using simple interfaces proven in the real world. And by giving the power back to the people who know, machinists. An accurate cycle time estimate must contain speeds, feeds, and processes that can actually be reproduced on your shop floor. All the current talk about AI and feature recognition is putting more shops out of business. Sure, AI and feature recognition can tell you what needs to be machined from a model, can create an estimate quickly, but only a real-world machinist can see fixturing, metal removal issues, and process a workpiece as it would be done in your unique shop with your unique equipment. If you think this is untrue, or your shop doesn't have a machinist capable of process engineering, either get one or you're in the wrong business. Stop wasting your time and money. But if you believe it, and are ready to get real, then say goodbye to guesswork and lost profits and say hello to streamlined, accurate operations and satisfied customers. With KipwareCYC, you gain confidence in your estimates, maximize productivity, minimize idle time, and keep your customers happy. Ready to transform your quoting process? Explore all the Kipware real-world quoting and estimating and CNC programming tools at www.kipware.com.